Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make a dish called Ayam Masak Merah. Its literal translation is chicken cooked red. It is a tomato base and it is non-spicy. Traditionally, it's a fried chicken in which you will saute it in spices and tomato later on, but we will be using chicken thighs and not deep frying today. So here are all my ingredients. So this is 1 kilo of chicken thigh fillets, which I have already cut into strips. I will be marinating it with some curry powder, turmeric powder, salt and pepper. So these are the spices that we will be blending in the food processor. Lemongrass, which has actually already been blended because I use frozen lemongrass. So if you can get fresh one, please do so. And we've got garlic and galangal and candle nut. Candle nut acts as a thickening agent. If you don't have candle nut, you can use macadamia or omit it. Then we have some fresh chili. I've already blended this prior. This is ginger that I have already chopped, and my dry spices, which are chili powder and sweet paprika powder. Sweet paprika powder is actually an optional spice because it gives it the red color. And lastly, we are going to be using some onions or shallots if you have. Four dry spices that we need, which are cloves, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, and star anise. We will also be including some tomato paste, lemon juice, fresh tomato, and some milk. You can use coconut milk or evaporated milk, but today I am actually using almond milk because this is what is in my fridge.